Hello and welcome to my video. In this tour, I'll be giving you a quick look at a few cabins on the NCL Viva so you can see what to expect when booking your cruise. I was filming right before guests gained access to their cabins, so I had to do walkthroughs pretty quickly. I hope this gives you a helpful preview of the different room options on board. Our first cabin on deck 16, we're taking a look at cabin 16192, a category BA balcony cabin on the Norwegian Viva. This cabin is approximately 186 square feet with a 45 square foot balcony. Inside, you'll find a queen convertible bed, sitting area, desk, TV, and a modern bathroom with a glass door shower. The balcony includes two chairs and a small table, and while this cabin does have a partially obstructed view, it still offers a nice outdoor space to relax and enjoy the ocean air. Next up is cabin 16187, a category IA inside cabin. This stateroom is approximately 160 square feet and offers a comfortable, budget friendly option with many of the same amenities as an ocean view cabin. Inside, you'll find two lower beds that convert into a queen, a flat screen TV, desk, chair, safe, closet space, shelving, and a modern bathroom with sliding glass door shower. And now we are at cabin 16186, a category BA balcony cabin featuring approximately 186 square feet of interior space and a 45 square foot private balcony. The stateroom includes floor to ceiling glass doors that bring in plenty of natural light and lead out to your own outdoor seating area. Inside, you'll find a comfortable queen convertible bed setup, modern furnishings, and a stylish layout designed for both relaxing and enjoying the views throughout your cruise. Cabin 16151 is a Category I-4 family inside cabin. This cabin is approximately 160 square feet and is designed to comfortably sleep up to four guests. Inside, you'll find two or lower beds that convert into a queen, along with two Pullman beds, making a great option for families. We're now on deck 11 at cabin 11152, a Category BB balcony cabin. This stateroom offers approximately 186 square feet of interior space, along with a 45 square foot private balcony. Inside, you'll find a queen convertible bed setup, sitting area, desk, TV, safe, and a comfortable modern layout throughout. Floor to ceiling glass doors open out to the balcony, which includes two chairs and a small table. A great spot to relax, enjoy the ocean views. And finally, the bathroom here is a good example of what you'll find in most cabins on board, with similar clean and modern designs throughout the ship. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out last week's video for the full ship tour.